Hi guys, Gabriel here. Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware on a Linux machine. So in order to do that, we're going to have to download the software first. We're going to vmware.com. I'm going to put the link in the description. On the vmware.com website, you go to downloads, free products, and workstation player. After you do this, you scroll down to download the software. So I've already downloaded on my machine. After you download it, it usually goes to the downloads folder. So we're going to open the download folder. So here it is. This is my VMware software. What you're going to do next is to open a terminal. And over here, we're going to navigate to the downloads folder. So how to find where your downloads folder is? Usually it's in home, username and downloads, but if you want to find it quicker, you click right on the software and here is the folder path, so you can copy this. And we're going to the terminal and we are going to change the directory in this location. So now that we are inside the downloads folder, what we need to do is to change the parameters for reading writes. So in order to do that, we're going to write chmod a+x, and now we are going to copy the full name of the software and we're going to paste it here. Oh, sorry. Let me do that again. Copy. I'm going to paste it here. All right. Now that we have rights, what we're going to do is to log in with the root password, with root administrator password. So we do this, su root. We enter our root password. And now we can go ahead and install this software. So to install this software, we're going to add a dot slash and again the full name of the software that we've copied earlier. And the installation of the software is going to start. It's going through all the installers that needs to be configured. Usually you don't receive any confirmation, but if you do, just hit yes and enter and it's going to be almost ready. So I've paused it a little bit, but this is what you get after the full installation. It's done. And now what you need to do is actually to go to your files, your applications, and there it is, the VMware player. You open it and you start installing whatever you want to install. And let's accept, hit next, yes, agree. I do not want to enter the customer experience program and hit finish. Entering my user password here. And we are ready to create new virtual machines. Thank you and see you next time.